is up? Welcome back to my channel SM Magic Tricks, and in this video I will be showing you a detailed information on how to do a double lift. So a double lift simply is taking two cards and flipping them over as one. So I actually took two cards, as you can see right here, but you thought that I just flipped over one card. So here's how it's done. This was a push off double lift, by the way. So you just push some cards off the top like this, and you can either refill till you reach two cards, or you can just you just feel two cards right here. You automatically get to know that there are two cards right here, and you just flip them over. You can even hold a pinky break after you reach two cards. So if you feel two cards right here or reach till two cards, you just hold a pinky break right here, and then you just turn them over as one. So that was the push off double lift. And here's a tip from me, that whenever you do a double lift, you should not put pressure and flip the cards over like this, but you should just simply leave the cards off, and believe me guys, the cards won't come out as two, just like that. So when you're at this position, you just leave the cards and it automatically falls. So that's how a double lift, push off double lift is done. There are many types of double lift, but I do the push off double lift more because it's the most easiest double lift in the world. So that was the double lift. And the beginners who don't know what a double lift is, they can refill till two cards from the back. So when your spectator is in front of you, you just refill, and when you reach two cards, you just fill two cards and hold a pinky break right here, and then you just flip the cards over. And there's also a trick using this double lift. I'll put links in the description below, so check out the trick. But I have two different videos, so one contains the trick and one contains the reveal. So I'll put both the links in the description. Check out the trick. And my tip, another tip is you should practice in front of the mirror. So if you flash like somewhat like this when you do a double lift, the cards might fall out. The cards might fall off. That's why you should practice in front of the mirror and then perform. So that was the tutorial for a double lift, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like my video, subscribe to the channel, and comment on my video what all tricks should I do or which deck should I use in my next video. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe.